Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose your Shopify pricing plan. So let's get started. So in order to choose it, you can actually just head over to your settings, and in here you can see the plan. So when you click on the plan right here, you should be able to see in here this choose plan option. So click on choose plan, and then from in here you should be able to see three plans. First one is basic, and Shopify, and impact. So let's start on their actual containers right here. So this one has the world's best converting checkout. They also have that right here. But you can see that the more you increase the actual plan, the more the benefits they have. So in here, they have here 5 additional staff accounts, but this only have one. This one has 15 additional staff account and added global customization. So you can just choose which one is the best for you. So if you are actually a solo entrepreneur, you can actually just select the basic if you're the only one who's going to access your store. But if you have some shop managers or admins you want, you have to choose the Shopify right here for small. Take note that you only need to have 5 additional step accounts. So we only have 5 slots for your subscription for this one. While on the advanced, as you scale your business scale, so in here, the advanced is for people who has a lot of members or a lot of admins or a lot of employees that can actually manage the Shopify store. So this one is actually the more likely in order for you to do this. However, if you're the only one who's gonna use your Shopify, you won't need to choose this. You can still choose this, but you don't need to choose this if you want. So when you scroll down, we should be able to see in here what every plan gets you. So in here, they have limited online store, while this one has fully customizable checkout. This is the more ways to sell for them. So in here, they also have the frequently asked questions. So in here, we have here the full list of features. When you click on that, you should be able to see the feature for this specific plan. So in here, you have the monthly, which is the price right here. You have the yearly, you have the online store. And in here, if you see a dash, that means this feature is not available to that specific plan. For example, on this basic, they don't have additional staff accounts. The Shopify has 5, while this advanced has 15. So we can search through all of this thing right here to see what it looks like. On the basic plan, they have 2% transaction fee. On the Shopify, they have 1%. On the advanced, they have 0.6% right here. So you can also see all of these things right here. But as you can see, the duties and import taxes is not available for basic and Shopify, but is actually available to the advanced. You can also just click on this only show differences in order to see in here. As you can see, it is much more neat looking, and we can now see what their actual difference is. And then you can actually make an informed decision once you read all of these things right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then really like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.